Hey, Mindful Mentors 12 community! If you're hunting for high-reward opportunities, penny stocks are where the action is. Today, we're unveiling 7 penny stocks with the potential to turn a small investment into massive gains in 2025. Yes, penny stocks are risky, but the rewards can be life-changing if you pick the right ones. These low-price stocks, usually under $5, can deliver huge percentage returns, especially in emerging industries like AI, biotech, and green energy. In 2025, a unique mix of economic recovery and tech breakthroughs makes this space especially hot. Remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Think of this as the speculative part of your portfolio. With that out of the way, let's dive into our 7 explosive picks. Welcome to Mindful Mentors 12, where we make wealth building simple and smart. Alright, let's dive into another intriguing company on our list. First up is Remark Holdings, ticker MARK. This is a company that has been generating some buzz, and we're going to take a closer look at what they do and why they might be worth watching. Remark Holdings is a company at the forefront of artificial intelligence, specializing in facial recognition technology. They're not just talking about AI, they're actively developing and deploying it in various sectors. Their focus is on creating practical AI solutions that can be implemented in real-world scenarios. Their AI solutions are already being used in security, enhancing surveillance systems and providing advanced monitoring capabilities. This includes things like identifying potential threats and improving overall security effectiveness. They're also making waves in retail analytics, helping businesses understand customer behavior and optimize their operations. This can lead to improved customer experiences and increased sales. And let's not forget financial services, where their AI is being used to improve efficiency and detect fraud. This is a critical area where AI can make a significant impact. This diverse application of AI is giving them a real-world edge, setting them apart from other companies in the AI space. They're not just developing technology, they're implementing it and seeing results. Mark's low share price means even small wins can have a big impact. Because the stock is so inexpensive, even a slight increase in price can translate to significant gains for investors. Positive developments like new contracts or partnerships can act as major catalysts. These events can signal growth and potential to the market, and that can send the stock soaring, creating opportunities for quick profits. The stock's sensitivity to news makes it an exciting, albeit risky, investment. Their global presence in the US and China gives them access to 2 of the world's largest markets. This international footprint is a significant advantage. Plus, a scalable AI platform means they can easily expand their operations and adapt to changing market demands. This scalability is crucial for long-term growth. All of this positions them for rapid growth in the coming years. They have the technology, the market access, and the scalability to potentially achieve significant expansion. The big catalyst? What could really propel this stock forward? Major partnerships in security or retail could be game changers. These partnerships would not only provide revenue but also validate their technology. Such deals could validate their tech and drive significant revenue growth, transforming the company's financial outlook. Of course, competition in AI is fierce, with many companies vying for market share. But Remark's focus on high-demand niches gives them a shot at standing out from the crowd. By targeting specific areas, they can avoid direct competition with larger players. So, watch for contract announcements, as these can be significant indicators of the company's progress. Also, keep an eye out for signs of growing revenue in their earnings reports. Consistent revenue growth is a key sign of a healthy and growing company. If they can successfully turn tech wins into consistent profits, the sky's the limit. That's when investor confidence could skyrocket, driving the stock price even higher. Overall, Mark is a high-risk, high-reward play on the explosive growth of applied AI. It's a volatile stock, but the potential upside is significant. Their advanced tech, combined with a low price point, makes them an intriguing option for investors looking for exposure to the AI market. And the potential for big deals adds another layer of excitement to the story. All of these factors make them a top penny stock to watch closely for 2025. So keep this one on your radar and stay informed about their latest developments. Alright, that's a quick look at Remark Holdings. Let's move on to our next pick and see what other opportunities are out there. Next on our list is Ideanomics, trading under the ticker IDEX. This is a company that has caught the eye of many investors, and for good reason. Ideanomics is a company strategically merging the burgeoning fields of electric vehicles and artificial intelligence to completely revolutionize the landscape of commercial transportation. They're aiming to create a smarter, more efficient future for how goods and services are moved. They're not just making EVs, they're thinking bigger, acting bolder, and aiming higher. They're building an entire comprehensive ecosystem designed specifically for commercial fleets. This includes everything from the initial procurement of vehicles, to ensuring convenient and readily available charging solutions, and even offering tailored financing options. It's a one-stop shop for fleet electrification. Their AI-driven logistics optimize routes, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. Furthermore, they are optimizing energy use, reducing the carbon footprint of commercial operations. Ultimately, this makes fleet operations not only smarter, but also significantly greener and more sustainable. Recent contract wins in Asia, a rapidly growing market, signal major growth potential for Ideanomics, especially as the region aggressively electrifies its commercial and public transportation fleets. This positions them perfectly to capitalize on this expanding market. The dual business model, mobility and capital divisions, provides a unique advantage. This gives them diversification, mitigating risk, and a solid foothold in both the high-growth tech sector and the ever-important world of finance. The key to their potential 2025 breakout? What will it take for them to truly shine? It hinges on successfully scaling up those contracts, demonstrating real-world impact, and proving that their integrated model offers a superior value proposition compared to the competition. Of course, there are risks to consider, including potential execution challenges. Also, the capital-intensive nature of building a comprehensive EV ecosystem should not be overlooked. It requires significant investment and careful financial management. Therefore, it's crucial to watch their cash flow and delivery numbers closely. These metrics will be key indicators of their progress and overall health. A big contract announcement or a significant production milestone could be a major game-changer, sending positive signals to the market. In essence, Ideanomics represents a speculative bet on the widespread electrification of commercial transport, all powered and enhanced by the capabilities of AI. With a currently low stock price and ambitious global expansion plans, IDEX could potentially see a massive re-rating and significant stock price appreciation if they successfully deliver on their promises and execute their strategy effectively in 2025. Let's keep rolling forward and see what other opportunities await. 13. Our third pick is Sunworks, ticker SUNU, a hands-on player in the solar power boom. They design, install, and manage solar systems for businesses, farms, homes, and public projects. Sunworks benefits directly from the global shift to clean energy and government incentives like the Inflation Reduction Act. Each new contract, especially large commercial projects, adds to their revenue backlog and future earnings visibility. Their business model creates long-term customer relationships and recurring revenue. The big opportunity for 2025: scaling up projects as demand for solar surges. Risks include tough competition and the need to manage project costs and margins carefully. Watch their cash flow and ability to handle large, complex installations. If Sunworks can execute efficiently, they're poised for a breakout year. SunW is a direct bet on America's solar adoption and the green energy wave. Let's check out our next pick. Fourth on our list, we have a company that's carving out its own unique space in the electric vehicle market: Electromechanica Vehicles. You'll find them listed under the ticker SOLO. They're targeting a very specific and, some might say, unconventional niche: single-occupant, three-wheeled electric vehicles. This is a departure from the standard EV offerings we typically see. Their Solo EV is specifically built and marketed for urban commuters and delivery fleets, those who spend a significant amount of time navigating city streets. It's smaller, greener, and significantly cheaper to operate than traditional gasoline-powered cars. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save money on fuel and maintenance. The key to unlocking substantial growth in 2025 and beyond hinges on their ability to scale production efficiently at their Arizona facility. Getting those vehicles rolling off the line is paramount. Equally important is landing big commercial fleet orders. Securing contracts with major companies could provide a massive boost to their revenue and credibility. A major deal with a prominent delivery service or a large corporate fleet could be the catalyst that validates their unique business model and sends the stock soaring to new heights. It would signal strong market acceptance. The inherent risk? The market for single-occupant EVs is largely unproven territory, and successfully changing deeply ingrained consumer habits is always a tough uphill battle. People are used to their cars. Production challenges and the rate at which they are burning through cash are very real concerns that investors need to be aware of. So closely watch their financial statements and any breaking news regarding new financing efforts. Solo isn't necessarily trying to directly compete with giants like Tesla. Instead, they're attempting to create and dominate their very own niche category within the broader EV landscape. If their core vision for the future of urban mobility truly catches on with consumers and businesses alike, the potential upside for investors could be absolutely huge, offering exponential returns. This is a high-risk, high-reward play, and represents a potential disruptor in the way we think about and approach city transportation. Therefore, it's crucial to keep a very close eye on their progress in achieving production milestones and securing those all-important fleet deals. Alright, with that said, let's move right along to our next potentially explosive investment pick. Fifth is G Group Ticker Job, a staffing company that thrives when the job market is strong. They place talent in everything from office work to high-skill IT and finance roles, making them a direct play on economic recovery. Their business is cyclical when companies hire, G Group's revenue surges, the professional staffing segment is especially profitable, and diversification helps them weather sector shifts. The big catalyst for 2025? Sustained job growth and rising demand for skilled labor. Risks include economic downturns and fierce competition in the staffing industry. Watch for stable or expanding gross margins and a healthy balance sheet. If the economy keeps improving, job could see explosive growth. It's a classic cyclical play for a robust job market. Let's see what's next. Sixth is Zomedica, ticker ZOM, riding the unstoppable growth of the pet care industry. They develop point-of-care diagnostic products for vets, letting clinics get fast results and treat pets sooner. Their Truforma platform and new product launches create a recurring revenue model. Sell the device, then the test cartridges. The 2025 growth story is all about expanding their product lineup and sales footprint. Each new test or partnership makes their platform more valuable to vets. Risks include tough competition and the challenge of convincing clinics to switch to new tech. Watch for accelerating revenue and the number of devices placed. Zomedica is a pure play on the booming pet health market. If they execute on commercialization, the upside could be huge. Let's wrap up with our final pick. Last up is Bit Digital, ticker BTBT, a Bitcoin mining company offering stock market exposure to crypto's upside. Their fortunes rise and fall with the price of Bitcoin, making them a leveraged play for crypto bulls. The 2025 catalyst, the recent Bitcoin halving, which could boost prices and reward efficient miners like Bit Digital. They're also focused on sustainable, carbon-free mining, which could attract ESG-minded investors. Risks are high, Bitcoin's price is volatile, and operational challenges like regulation and energy costs are constant threats. Watch their hash rate, operational updates, and how they manage costs. If Bitcoin surges, BTBT could multiply in value. But remember, this is a high-octane speculative bet. For those who want crypto exposure without buying coins directly, Bit Digital is one to watch. Now let's recap your high-reward portfolio. There you have it, 7 explosive penny stocks that could turn a small investment into big gains in 2025. From AI and EVs to green energy, staffing, pet care, and crypto, each company has a unique catalyst for growth. Remember, these are high-risk, high-reward plays. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor if needed. If you found value in this video, hit that thumbs up, share, and subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more wealth-building strategies. Comment below, which penny stock are you watching for 2025? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.